Hello, hello, and welcome to Cork's Dollar Food Addiction, where we find foods that cost $1 or less and check them out. I know you've seen Michelina's Lean Gourmet Chicken Alfredo Florentine, creamy Alfredo sauce with white chicken and spinach with fettuccine. Calories, 240. Weight, 8 ounces. That seems to be standard. Microwave tells you all that, but then all this is on the bottom. Sodium. Oh dear. Oh no, it's not as bad as I thought. 690. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. And that's what it's supposed to look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 pieces of white meat chicken. Come on. One good full. There it goes. Okay, let's see. Holy smokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at all that chicken. They aren't big squares that I thought they might be, but... And there's spinach. Here's the fettuccine. There's the white sauce. What's it need? Parmesan. Maybe lots of Parmesan. Stir it up. Yeah, that's better. Maybe even a little more, since we have all this ground up. Here's a big hunk of white meat chicken. A little rubbery. But it's been microwaved twice. Once for 2.5 minutes and one for 1.5 minutes. So, what do you expect? It's pretty good. What will we add to our Lean Gourmet Chicken Alfredo Florentine? They didn't put very much spinach in there. So, we've got a little Caesar salad. I didn't have any croutons. Shame on me. But I did have the current favorite, Sauvignon Blanc. In a Christmas glass. I think my daughter won these someplace some years ago, and I am the happy recipient. Okay, so here we have chicken Alfredo. I'll get it right. Chicken Alfredo Florentine. Not much Florentine to it. With Parmesan added. Little Caesar salad. Happy Sunday. Be seeing you.